Remember these tips to ensure your frame assembly goes smoothly. Orient the frames right side up using the labels prior to installation. Extensions should be applied to the frames now. Make sure that each panel is matched to the appropriate side frame. Do not remove any labels until after all shutters are installed. Outside mount frames include L-frame, casing sill frame, casing frame. Lay your frames out according to the labels located on each frame piece. Start by applying corner keys to the top and bottom frames. For L-frame and casing sill frame, it will be necessary to add glue to the corner key cavity. Then set the corner key in position. For casing frame, the corner keys should be inserted until locked into position. Align the side frames with the ends of the top frame. For L-frame and casing sill frame, add gel bond multi-purpose bonding glue to the corner key cavity at the top of each side frame. Then slide the side frames onto the corner keys. Make sure to hold the corners tight until dry. Repeat the previous steps for the bottom frame.